Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to discuss exactly what the Jeff Galloway method is. If you ever felt like running was running until you couldn't go anymore, that's no longer the case. Jeff Galloway does a great job in developing a method that allows everyday people to learn how to run, especially if you struggle with injuries and struggle with running for a very long time nonstop. So Jeff Galloway was an Olympic runner. I believe he participated in the 1972 German Games, the Olympic Games. And he developed this method specifically because he had people in groups that he was training that could not run for a long time and were getting injured. And when he started incorporating rest breaks for his students, he noticed that they stayed with the program. Many of them ran beyond the 5K and they weren't injured. So instead of continuously running until fatigue sets in, you take breaks, planned breaks, not when you feel like it. So an example is Jeff Galloway uses what they call run-walk ratios. And the first run-walk ratio that I used was a 30-second run and a 30-second walk. So that's called a 1-to-1 ratio. If you do a minute run and 1 minute walk, that would also be a 1-to-1 ratio. But if you do a 1 minute run and a 30-second walk, that would be a 2-to-1 ratio. Jeff Galloway suggests that you don't go over 30 seconds because there's no added benefit to resting more than 30 seconds. You actually get into a cool down mode past 30 seconds. I myself have started using a 15-second break on my short runs, and for the long runs, I'll stick into 30 seconds. Anyway, stay tuned. Learn a little bit more from Jeff Galloway from my perspective, and I hope to see you soon on my channel. Bye.